Business owners today are struggling to generate more revenue, but find themselves spending more and more to do so. What if you had a new alternate sales system that actually paid you for the privilege of selling your products? Not only that, what if the system smoothed out your revenue cycle while building your presence all over the world through certification? That's called a power tribe. I originally did this for my own software company and ended up with 350 certified consultants dropping an extra $1 million to my bottom line, while becoming my third largest sales channel. In that process, I learned exactly what it takes to empower others to do the same. Your upfront investment is returned within 7 days of launching your program, and it only grows from there. The biggest benefit is ending up with a powerful tribe of coaches or consultants representing you to thousands of more clients that you could ever reach. Infusionsoft, Intuit, and Salesforce all use these same strategies to generate hundreds of millions in revenue, and we could build your system in 90 days or less. So if you are a SaaS company, coaching company, training company, and you want to learn more, reach out to me and let's discover how we can work together.